Hi, thanks for tuning in. We got something special. All right, this comes from Auntie Janice. Now, real cool thing about Auntie Janice is been streaming for over 10 years, and she was one of the first 10 people to ever follow me on Periscope. Fast forward, I'm now on Twitch, been here for several years, and of course, doing recently, probably maybe 2 years ago, 2.5 years ago, maybe three, he decided to make mead. And what I have here is a mead she gifted me. And today's the day I get to try. So I am honored to say thank you, Auntie Janice, for thinking of me. And yes, I've been hanging on it for quite some time because it needed to be the right time to try it. And now it is. So let's go ahead and find out if Auntie Janice, let's see what it's all about. Now, I don't know much about this mead. I don't know the ABV, but she made it, and we're gonna get to know it. So we're gonna just pop this flip top, but we're gonna be careful, right? Could be under pressure, so we're gonna pop it. Okay, I'm gonna step back because just in case. Okay, come on, pop open, baby. Come on, mess here. Okay, nothing going on. All right, we're good. Okay, pour it in here and let's taste that mead. Oh, that's a nice color. Oh, look at that. All right, it's our first mead. I'm here to really indulge. I like that. All right, here we go. Definitely honey forward, very floral, almost like clove, a little waxy, right? Like honeycomb. Really, really nice. It smells. I'm getting some sort of like apple to it, like a little apple to it, almost like a cider. But overall, it's very pleasant to the nose, very soft, no ABV. So if I had to guess, this is probably around eight, eight, nine, right around there. So let's go ahead and taste it. Ooh, that's thick. Oh, that is wonderful. It's like orange notes, nectar. The meat is sweet, right? That honey is really sweet. Woo wee. That's boy, you better not have no cavities. Man, Auntie Janice, I remember you were telling me that you didn't know if it was going to be good or not, but I'm telling you, this is good mead. This is really good. It's got that quality you expect in mead, right? You have that body, that depth. Does it taste like honey or are there any other characteristics? Here are the characteristics that I'm picking up. You've got definitely flower, floral all day. Really nice. Then the honey is thick, sweet, like it's mead, and the best part about it is it also comes across as if you used whole comb in this. This got a little bit of that waxy comb situation. This is definitely for people who love sweet things. This meat is really nice. This, again, I don't know the ABV, but if I had to guess, it's right about 8 or 9, maybe 10. Um, well put together. There's some orange situations, got like a honeysuckle vibe. Um, I'm trying to think. There's something else going on in this, right? There's something else. There's a spice. It's got clove. There's a little clove in this. That's what it is. There's like this spice. Now, whether she used clove or not, I'm getting that, and I'm also getting some interesting tannins as well off of this. Auntie Janice, this is a really nice mead for your first attempt. I hope that you make more, and I would love to try more. But no, this is really good for your first time. I'm glad that I was able to hang on to it for the time that I've hung on to it for. It was worth every it was worth that time. I think it's aged well in the bottle. Um, yeah, it's phenomenal. I like it. There's like these interesting characteristics that don't really need a name. It's just got some complexity to it, and I'm glad that you did this. Thank you guys for sitting here with me for this experience. And again, Auntie Janice, thank you. Thank you very much. And the rest of you guys, thanks for hanging out. Cheers.